A very good morning, students. Welcome back to the next video of IGQ Olympiad with Pinky ma'am. So here we are going to start with our next video, that is chapter number 8. Today we are going to start, that is, let's see, okay, we have completed till chapter number 7, languages and literature. Chapter number 8 is about entertainment. Let us see what is there about entertainment. Is very interesting for you all. Entertainment chapters are there. We'll be entertaining this chapter and get entertained with this chapter. Okay, this MCQs will be very good. Okay, let's do entertainment. Okay, let's start with entertainment. Okay, number 1, the famous printing is an oil on canvas by Dutch painter Vincent van Gogh. It depicts the view from the east-facing window of his asylum room. Name the painting. Okay, which painting? It was the Starry Night. Okay, Cafe Terrace at night, Starry Night over the Rhone, Impression Sunrise. No, it is a Starry Night. The Starry Night. Option 2. Question number 2. The actor whose Fostumulus awarded a Golden Globe and an Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor for his role as the psychopathic clone prize of crime in the movie The Dark Knight. He died in 2008. Name him. So he was number A, Billy Mays, B, Patrick Swayze, Carey Madden, Heath Ledger. It is Heath Ledger. It is Heath Ledger. Third, it was an Indian TV show that discussed and provided solution for various social issues in India. Its aim was to empower citizens with information about their country, and it urged them to take decision. We are talking about again, you see, it was an Indian TV show that discussed and provided solutions for various social issues in India. Social issues, KBC is not that. CID can be, but see, the aim was to empower citizens with information about their country, and it urged them to take action. Okay, them to take action. So it's option number D, Satyame Vijayata. Satyame Vijayata. Okay. Okay, reality show it is we are talking about. Okay, CID was not the reality show. Okay, we are going to have question number 4. The British Academy of Film and Television. The British Academy of Film and Television Arts, BAFTA, is an independent charity organization that supports, develops and promotes the art form of the moving image, film, televisions and game in the United Kingdom. Who received the first BAFTA fellowship? Who received the first BAFTA? Sir Alfred Hitchcock, B. Roger Goff, C. Steven Spielberg, D. Jack Cardiff. It's D. Jack Cardiff. It's D. Jack Cardiff. Okay, Jack Cardiff. Okay, number B, Rudra and Vichitra Veenas are plugged string instruments. In which type of music are they used? Again I say, repeat my question. Rudras and Vichitra Veenas are plugged string instruments. In which type of music are they used? So option A, Carnatic, B, barbecue, Hindustani or Renaissance. So its answer is B, barbecue. Okay. Question number 6. No and kabuki are traditional theatrical forms of which country? No and kabuki are traditional theatrical forms of which country? Of which country it is? It is of Japan. It is of Japan. Okay. Question number 7. She is an accomplished Kuchipudi and Bharatnatyam dancer. One of the greatest dance performs was the role of Draupadi, played in Peter Brook play. The Mahabharata named her, again I repeat, she is an accomplished Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam dancer. On one of the greatest dance performance was the role of Draupadi played in Peter Book's play The Mahabharata named her okay, the Mahabharata named her as Malika Sarabhai. Malika Sarabhai. Okay, Malika Sarabhai. Okay. Okay, once a minute, it's option number A. Answer is option number A. Its answer number is option number C, Hindustani. Okay, 6 is Japan, number 7 is Malika Sarabhai. Okay, our answer is right. Coming to question number 8. Moving to question number 8. He is often known as the godfather of Indian jazz for his contribution to contemporary and Indo-fusion jazz. He is a film music composer, keyboardist and jazz musician. Name him. I repeat my question. He is often known as Godfather of Indian Jazz. Godfather of Indian Jazz for his contribution to contemporary and Indo-fusion jazz. He is a film music composer, keyboardist and jazz musician. Name him. Okay. He is Louis Banks. He is a Louis Bank. Okay, he is a Louis Banks. Wait. Okay, option B. Question number 9. Who is the only Indian to have won an Oscar for lifetime achievement in the film? Who is the only? It is Satyajit Ray. Okay. Question number 10. Who became the first Indian origin American to win the Miss American pageant in 2014? Who became the first Indian origin American to win the Miss American pageant in 2014? It is Nina Davuluri. Okay, it is Nina Davuluri. Okay. Moving to question number 11. Okay, moving to question number 11, that is, which of the following represents the correct chronological order of Indian women who brought home the Miss World crown over the years? Which is the following represent of correct chronological, means 1, 2, 3 steps. Okay, so let us see which is the correct chronological order. Option A, Diana Hardin, Aishwarya Rai, Ukta Mukhe and Priyanka Chopra. Option B, Aishwarya Rai, Diana Hardin, Yukta Mukhe and Priyanka Chopra. Option C, Priyanka, no. So here option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, moving to question number 12. The American late night talk show is hosted by Emmy-winning funny man who also hosted the 64th Prime Minister Emmy Awards in 2012. His guest list includes celebrities, athletics, and musicians. Bollywood actress Priyanka Chopra was also invited to his talk show. What is the name of this talk show? What is the name of his talk show? It is Jimmy Kimmel Level. It is Jimmy Kimmel Level. I also watched this. Okay, Jimmy Kimmel Live. Okay, Jimmy Kimmel Live. Okay, let us go to question number 13. The first 70 film of India was the first 70 film of India was around the world. It was around the world. Option B. It was around the world. Okay. Question 14 will continue. You must have noticed a lot of Bollywood and Hollywood actors riding this device on TV or social media. One needs body balance to walk it, but it's really easy to use. It is powered by rechargeable batteries. Look at the image and identify it. Yes, you have also seen this in your nearby malls, or else they are also giving you to try all these things. Okay, its name is Fuki Duck. Its name is Fuki Duck. Its name is Fuki Duck. Okay, moving to next question. Australia bowler Brittany Lee has won the heart of millions of people around the world of his bowling skills. But among Indian, he holds a special place because of his singing, in which he is featured with a very prominent Indian singer. Who was that Indian singer? Who was that Indian singer? It is Asha Bhosle. Okay, it is Asha Bhosle. Moving to question number 16. See, these types of questions only are going to come. So you do need to study this Olympiad book very nicely. It is a French dessert also known as icebox cake. It is a French dessert is also known as icebox cake. This dessert is trifle and can be served hot as well as cold. Identify it. Okay, this is custard tart, cream brulee, charlotte russe, and calfotis. So it is C, option B, C, charlotte russe. Okay. Option number 17 will see with the question it's given. Read the given passage. Now 17, 18, 19 will be depending upon the passages. So we will see 17 number question. Paragraph first, the biopic questions first. Okay, I told you before reading the paragraph, you read the question. In which year had the hijacking incident taken place as described in the movie? A very popular music director made his acting debut in the film Nirja. Who was he? Who directed this movie? Okay, Nirja. Okay, see, the biopic Nirja, released in 2016, made its way into everyone's heart with the story of a brave senior flight crew member who sacrificed her life to save the lives of many passengers. Sonam Kapoor is the key role of Nirja Banot. The film received positive critical receptions on Sonam as the main and protagonist garnered a lot of praise for her role. So, which year this movie described hijacking incident? As in the movie you will see Nirja. I have also seen you. I know you might have been seen the famous good movie. So it's in 1986. It's in 1986. Okay, took place. Okay. A very popular music director made his acting debut in the film Nirja. Who is he? Who is he debut making in the film? Okay, he is Shekhar Ravjina. It is Shekhar Ravjiani. Okay. Who directed the movie? Obviously Ram Madhvani. He has directed. Okay. Coming to question number 20. Which among the following Indian dance form is not recognized by Sangeet Natak Academy? Which among the following dance is not recognized? Kathak, Mohiniyattam, Ghumar, and it is Ghumur. It is Ghumur. It is not a Sangeet Natak academic. Okay. 21. 21st question. He is an award winning Michelin starred Indian chef. He is restaurateur, cookbook writer, and also the host and judge of some seasons of famous TV show MasterChef India. Who is he? Sanjeev Kapoor, Kunal Kapoor, Ranveer Bharar, or Vikash Khanna. We are talking about an award-winning Michelin star is. We are talking about. We are talking about option D, that is Vikash Khanna. We are talking about Vikash Khanna. Okay, number 22. Euphoria is an Indian rock band. The band released its first album in 1988, and the band is a group of friends from Delhi. Who is the lead singer of Euphoria? Who is the lead singer of Euphoria? That is Palas Sen. Palas Sen is the lead singer. Okay. Now again similar types of question like we have done 17, 18, 19. In that way only we'll have 23, 24 and 25. This film follows the story of ballerina named Nina in New York City for the opening of their new session dance show. The protagonist of the film happens to be the first choice, but soon she finds herself with a competition. The main story showcases the backstage rivalry, artist jealousy, and a great work of art. The movie was an American psychological thriller. The film won many prestigious awards and was a box office hit. So, what is the name of the movie? Yes, that the name of the movie is Black Swan. Okay, the name of the movie is Black Swan. Who played the role of Nina? It was Brittany Murphy. It is written over here only. Okay. When was the movie released? In 2010 the movie was released. Okay, I hope you have understood this chapter nicely. So we'll start with our next chapter number 9 on different topic. Entertainment was really an entertainment. You have learnt about many things about entertainment also today. So thank you students for today's video.